Hello, welcome to the Sun Valley Technology demonstration of the TotalMD Document Center image loader utility. Before we get started, let's go ahead and take a look at the um, setup tab. This is where you will be pointing to the TotalMD database. In this case, I'm using the sample EHR database that is shipped with the application. I also selected a working folder, um, in this case eTemp. This is where the utility will um, will store all the temporary TIFF and PDF that it creates, and you can review them before you clean them up if you like. In addition, I'll select the scanner source, and all that will be saved into um, LTT file with the application. So next time you don't have to, when you restart the utility, you don't have to specify them again. So now that we have set up all the necessary folders, let's go ahead and take a look at the homepage. So to scan, of course, you want to eventually hit the scan button. But before that, keep in mind that this is a utility that's meant to scan in documents from multiple charts. And within each chart, you might have multiple document types. Within document types, you might have multiple pages. So for example, if we have patient name Billie Jean, here I can search for either by last name, first name, or chart number. I would then select the chart and go ahead and create the barcode separator. In this case, I'll go ahead and create the barcode separators with the test pages. Now, the reason that the barcode generator is important, of course, is that when you scan in multiple charts, you need to put all the documents that belong to your chart below a barcode for that particular chart. So in this case, if you have documents for Billie Jean's, you need to put all those documents. Need to put the barcode for the chart, Billie Jean, before all the documents. Within the documents, within the chart, Billie Jean, you have multiple document types. For each of the document types, you will need the barcode before you can scan in the documents of that document type. So in this example here, there's a couple of pages, page 1 and page 2, and they both for type patient letter, right? If you scroll down to almost the end here, you will see that, I'll point out that page later, but you will see that there's a type 07 here, ADDMS 12 docs for this chart. Now, this barcode is created because if you go back to the document center, you will see that under Billie Jean's, there is a ADMS 12 document types that was created specifically for this demo. So now that we have the barcode for the charts and barcode for the document types, I've gone ahead and set up the document into the scanner. Now we'll go ahead and scan it with just doing a DPI, 200 DPI with black and white. The reason being my scanner is a little bit slow, and 200 DPI is sufficient to identifying the barcode. If you have a speedier scanner, of course, you might want to scan in high resolution, or maybe even in color if you like. So as you can see, right now it's going through 3 pages. I have about 7 pages. So once it finished scanning in, if we go back to the home page, there's a little bit of statistics that can make available to you. There's a chart number, the last document type was scanning, number of barcode that you found, a number of images that it's scanning this session, right? If you go back to the audit tab, you can see that there's two pages for patient letter and 2 pages for ADMS 12 docs here. All right, so to view the image, of course, if you in this utility, you can go to the images tab, go to DB, and put in the chart number. Load the database charts. As you can see, there's first page, second page for patient letter, ADMS docs, first page, second page. We go over to the document center. We go ahead and refresh the Billie Jeans. You will see that in patient letter, there's 2 documents. ADMS doc, there's 2 documents. Here's one, that's page 2, that's page 1, that's page 1, that's page 2. So in this example, we saw how the pages are scanning 1 page at a time. Next, we'll go ahead and enable multi-page TIFF. In order to do that, I need to have the last page that I skipped over a little bit earlier. This is a page to be included at the end of each chart. If you were to scan multiple page into a TIFF file, so that the system will know, the utility will know when the whole charts, documents for the entire charts has been accounted for. So in this example, I'll go ahead and scan in 2 pages of printed document, and we'll go ahead and scan them into the same TIFF file. So once again, we'll go ahead and hit the scan button, select the same resolution and same scan type, black and white. And in this case, we only have 5 pages. So we have the chart barcode, document type barcode, the 2 pages of documents, plus the end barcode that I discussed just a little bit earlier. So once it finished scanning, we can go back into the utility and take a look at the images that is loading. So here we already back at the DB tab. We have the chart number pre-populated. So I'll go ahead and refresh the data. And here you will see that the printed document is, there's only 1 document, 1 TIFF file. Within it though, there's 2 pages. So here's page 2, page 1. All right, so that's how easy it is to scan in multiple documents directly into the document center. And if we go back here, we refresh Billie Jeans, we will see that here it is, printed document. There's only 1 document with 2 pages in them. Again, if you go back down to audit, you will see that here is the other 2 pages that were scanning into 1 single document. As I mentioned earlier, under the temp folder, here's a barcode template that it was created with the different barcodes that you need in order to print out, in order to do your scanning. And as you process the data, here are the different documents that were created by the utility. And you might want to remove these occasionally after you verify that everything has been scanned properly. So once again, this is the version of the application that supports scan only. In the next video, we'll examine how we can print out all these documents in one step rather than having to go through the document center, select every single chart and print them out individually. Thank you and see you next time.